So how to renew your UK driving licence. So to go ahead and renew your driving licence online, it's fairly simple. So first things first, you want to head to the government website and come to this web page here, which says renew your driving licence. I'll also leave a link below in the description. But once you're on this page, it will take you right here. And this step-by-step video works for both full driving licence and provisional driving licence. So if you want to renew your provisional driving licence, it's exactly the same process, but you must keep in mind that it will cost £14 to renew your licence. So if you're ready to proceed, just scroll down, and before you proceed, you must note that if your name, title or signature has changed, you cannot renew your driving licence online. So if your signature has changed, you'll need to apply at the post office or by post, and if your title has changed, you can only apply by post. But if that's all good for you and you want to renew online, just click Start Now right here. Then once you've clicked Start Now, it will bring you through to this page here, so just give this a read, and if you're happy, you can select Continue on this device. So before you start, you'll be asked a few questions, so make sure to give this a read again, and if you're happy, click Continue at the bottom. Then once you've done that, it brings you through to this page here, and it'll ask you, are you renewing your bus or lorry entitlement? So we're just going to select no right here. Then click Continue. And then it asks you, are you currently disqualified from driving in the UK? So again, for the example of this video, we're going to say no. And then Continue again. Then once you've done that, you're then going to need to go ahead and create an account or sign in if you've got one already. So select Continue at the bottom when you're ready. And then from there, select Continue to Gov UK 1 login. Then once you've done that, you simply just need to go ahead and select whether if you want to create an account or sign in. So create an account if you've not got one already, or you can go ahead and select sign in. So for example, if you're just signing in, it'll ask you for your email address, password, and then it will just send you a verification to your phone. But once you're signed in, you should be greeted by a page that looks like this, where it will ask you to confirm your full name, current address, and date of birth. Now, if the address it provides is out of date, don't worry, you will get an opportunity to change that. But if everything else matches, you can select Confirm and Continue at the bottom. And there you go, just like clockwork, it asks you, do you want this address on your new driving licence? So you can either select yes or no and input your new one. Then on the next page, it asks you, do you want to renew the photo on your driving licence? So it will show you the current photo. And if you scroll down, you'll also get the expiry date. So for most of you, if you're renewing because your driving licence is going out of date, you can go ahead and tick yes from here. Then once you've either selected yes or no, click Continue. And then if you have selected yes, it will bring you through to this page here, and you're simply going to need to upload a digital photo. So click Continue from here. Now, to make life easier for you, you can opt to use your passport photo, as that can be copied over automatically, and in all honesty, it makes things a lot easier for you. So if you select yes to that, and then simply, once you're on this page, enter your passport number, and then once you've entered your passport number, click Continue, and then it should showcase you the photo on your passport. So if you're happy to provide that, you can scroll down and tick yes, and then click Continue. Then once you've completed the photo steps, you'll come to this page here, which will ask you, do you have your current GB driving licence? So you can either say yes, yes but it's damaged, or no, it's been lost or stolen. So tick whichever one applies to you and click Continue. Then from there, you'll get this page here, which will just tell you what it wants you to do with your old licence. So you'll need to cut that in half and send it back to the DVLA when you get your new one. So select Continue from there. And then on this page, you'll just be asked about NHS organ donation. So you can either say yes or no. Then finally, you'll just be asked to review your answers. So just double check everything, scroll to the bottom, and if you're happy, you can click Agree and Continue at the bottom. Then finally, it'll bring you through to this page here, and you'll simply just need to go ahead and pay for your new card. So as you can see right now, the cost is £14, but if you're replacing your driver's license because you've lost it, then that will be £20. So just go ahead and fill in your card information and select Pay Now when you're done. And there you have it, and your application has successfully been completed, and it is as simple as that. And you should receive a reference number and confirmation to your email of when to expect your new driving license. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.